even if it doesn't exactly look that way here. Nearly limitless technological possibilities have emerged in building installation and automation. That's where we come in. We turn limitless possibilities into the right solution for you. We're the ones who've always made things easier and better, for example with spring clamp technology and other revolutionary pluggable connections. To leave more time for the important things, we make energy savings visible and provide secure networking. And is it necessary to send a technician out for every change now? Quite the contrary. We provide the right software for you to retain complete control of your system. Building automation also includes adapting the light to human biorhythms. That improves concentration, performance, or, as in this case, comfort, and with it the inclination to purchase. We are your partner, so the building adapts to your needs, not the other way around. Get in touch. We'll be happy to advise you.